Hi mayam, ngasi se ako'y na California do laiba ako'y Meitei mayam na pulaga. Ako'y na ngasi demonstration peace rally ama Sunday. Kasi ako'y na salibasi ako'y na utingi se ako'y Meitei mata Manipur da front line de lairiba adagi laikirabasing moi da makada ako'y zu moi da makada ako'y lairi ako'y na moi awa ana da ako'y na sarugya zari haina moi da ako'y na kuchaning lagi moi ge thongnalin din abjab lab na laiba ako'y na kaimu tawba ngamdragasu America haiba sukan na chaw ba laibak sida ako'y zu Meitei macha moi na chaw na moi ge makada lairi na ako'y na unaning lagi da makada wasidi ako'y California da laiba Association of Meiteis in America gi taraptagi ako'y mayam pulap lepaga ako'y na Manipur gi saktam kai bi aroy Manipur gi integrity kai bi aroy haina ako'y na sige kholasu laugzari Manipur imana yai phare Manipur gi integrity kai ba yade haina mayam ta laumi na
koi kaida San Francisco na gi California gi demonstration peaceful demonstration ni tawbogi chemi mayam na sema ko mayam na sisina kai katna ba mayam se matam loina khairung na nga si se angare Sonia nangi play ka to yenge ne
United
we stand one Manipur stop deforestation to pa sa ma'am lai dai na
bring peace back to Manipur.
Dylan yenge nangi Dylan yenge Meitei cannot be collateral damage.
I think that's good.
Siya mo nga ito ko. Story.
Where's the tape?
Yang Mohammed. Unbreakable Manipur. Yang ke Gracie nang gitu. Okay, can you say something?
No, from when you take a picture.
We love Manipur. Yes. It's so weird.
How about you, Madeline?
I want peace in Manipur and I want Manipur to be safe.
What about you, Aditi?
I want peace in Manipur.
You also want? Tonton?
I want to save Manipur.
You want to save Manipur? Manipur is the best? Dylan, you want to say something about Manipur?
Lots of innocent people being killed, and then there's lots of fake news on social media, and then the police are blocking, the army people are blocking the road.
No, so you don't want that? So say long live Manipur. Kaya ye chalai phiran je yaw dum phajai. Rồi rồi bọn em thấy thiết với gì cả.
Tiếp với con cái gì sân cơ.
Rồi rồi bọn nắp à.
Cái này xe lô tiếp áo tủ bồi không? Dâu này.
Cây xe mình rồi đủ. Hả? Cây xe mình rồi. Cây xe mình rồi.
Good job, guys.
Okay, guys. Especially the flag. The flag has to be above your waist level all the time, especially all the flags. And please check your flag, especially the Indian flag.
Photo Hana logo put in. Please. Quick reminder, during the main event, no selfie. No selfie.
Look na yung nga ga. Ay na. Okay. Ay han pa rin mo
ai gì nó kiếm mà mang lấy dây cỏ one.
Cái nó cần đâu rồi.
Stop deforestation. United we stand. One Manipur. Our rivers are dry. Our forests dead. End the violence. May 3rd, 2023. Tragic day for the Meiteis. Bring peace to Manipur. Plant hope, not poppy. Manipur needs lasting peace. Rein in armed groups. We support war on drugs and cross-border flow of arms. Manipur beats in our heart. Let peace prevail.
Check.
Save our forests from
Can
poppy.
everyone hear me?
No golden triangle in India.
Let me know if my voice.
Save Meitei from extinction. Save India from drugs. Save the planet. Stop fake news. Tragic day for the Meiteis, May 3rd, 2023.
Tortured and murdered by Kuki Chin militants within the community. They were someone's son, uncle, brother, and husband. Our brother volunteers
experience in Manipur and to call for peace to come about in Manipur too. So I'm a researcher. I'm an American born, but I'm one of the few researchers from America to be in and live in Manipur. I'm also a contributing member of a Manipuri performance group called Laiwi, and it's headed by Mangan Sana and his daughter Manga, who do a lot of traditional performance music in the state.
Is from Manipur. We have our differences. We've had our differences, and more than likely we'll continue to have our differences. But that doesn't mean we can find ways to work together. We have lived together in peace and harmony for years and decades and generations. And today, even as we have our differences, there's ways that we can find common ground and work towards peace and prosperity for all.
Placard mayam se to bada sigi placard se oi na ek khanja bani sigin high stop fake news hai basine ado sigi thawong hai gadra sigi pe ki Manipur ge handaki nungai traba kanu thawong se sigi se hek horak padagi sigi fake news se mai kai mari maktagi la sigi fake news se ado fake news sina kan inta kana bakor kadaba natte ani maktagi kuki oigera Meitei oigera loina bak awa ba loin tarabani asi ana awa ana loin tare ado aina aisi Meitei ni ado aina aigi mamit Meitei sire ana hairaga kesu sigi ngasigi da thukliba thodok se sibul santi purakna buhna bada mating pangada banate aduna akui pulapna acknowledge dominancy from both the communities, that both the communities are affected, there are sufferings.
Take a stand before you like another message, one that calls for unity, compassion, and an end to persistent presence of violence in Manipur. Violence has cast the dark shadows over the lives, leaving scars on individuals. The Association of Meiteis in America, I want to set lights on a pressing issue that demands everyone's attention. The recent conflict in Manipur.
And Manipur is a very small state located in the northeastern corner of India. And you are going to see there, if you go to this village, what you are going to see is
Meitei family ne. Christmas houses mo ga celebrate away. Thanksgiving mo ga celebrate away. Adu bu mo gi sentiment khalaga ai indot sate yam neutral oina aina o mayam kano tawsi mayam si kamaina pulap na chanaga kari tawsi ke haina aina aigi social media da haije mayam attack tawbiganu just defend tawbigi tawbiyo haina aina chumaina aigi isa akoi romgi community dagi so aina aigi hai tare ko chinnaw da aina hai chumaina haije adubu ngasi se 65 days sure. It started May 3rd. Adu violence hojik thauba violence lepagi lepanai daba se ubada ai se ahamada diko jam sauninga me hai di kari gi no moina akoida akoi na moi se ha le to pe akoida di o akoi lomgi su iko hai ba se ai haidana matslinging mayam ma tawrami ai moina adu tawi noina da tawi haidana si mayam tawrami adu ai su watsan lakle ai isamak sidayda layraga ai sigi crisis sida ai day one dagi yawzarak
I'm a Christian. I'm an American white Christian, and these people are acting as if they're representations and then going and hurting people. I know that the faith they allegedly believe, that is Jesus. Love your enemy. Do good to those who hurt you.
But on May 3rd, 2023, the peaceful lives of millions of people were shattered by a premeditated attack on innocent ordinary citizens. Violence that was designed and funded by a nexus of wealthy cartels and power groups to pit ordinary people against each other. This has been going on for 65 days. It is only appropriate as we stand here today on this great soil that I quote Abraham. Over 3,000 years ago, our forefathers founded in the sprawling lands of Manipur a new nation. A nation with lush hills and sprawling valleys. And I quote, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal, end quote. That a nation can exist with ever-blossoming diversity. Pause. And I quote that all here and afar highly resolved that these dead shall not have died in vain. That Manipur, the lands of hills and valley, a cradle to a brotherhood of over 35 tribes, cannot be shaken by one group funded by wealthy men. That we must set the ground for everlasting peace.
Yay, pare! Yay, pare! Yay, pare!
Manipur ke ngam khai
Kai be aroy!
Manipur ke ngam khai
Kai be aroy!
Manipur ke thakam long live
Manipur!
long live
Manipur!
long live
Manipur!
koigi ai khidaba sing mathangna pharaba mayam gi moigi damakta da koina leimana mun kachaduna moigi atma bu mapu gi leikonda ingna chikna why nuaina later sanu haina koina poiramjari makoida ina kai kumnaba amasung makoigi atma bu shanti phangnaba haiduna koigi California da leiba koigi maitai singna poiramjari akoisu
Mapapauwi.
Okay, let's go.
Slay.
It's okay. Because we have.
Can you take a picture? No, it's video on.
Okay.
Long live
Manipur.
Manipur king âm khay. Manipur king âm khay. Manipur king âm khay. Manipur. 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 Manipuri mana? Yai Pare. Manipuri mana? Yai Pare. Manipuri mana? Yai Pare. Manipur ki saktam. Garbi aroy. Manipur ki saktam. Garbi aroy. Manipur ki saktam. Garbi aroy. Okay, say